In this video, I'm about to show you how to fix the WorldCoin withdrawal to OKX problem. First, check if the WLD tokens were actually deducted from your World app wallet balance. Verify that you use the correct WLD deposit address from OKX with the right network, e.g. Optimism. Then, confirm the OKX currently supports WLD deposits on the same network you used to send. Double check for any typos or errors in the wallet address you pasted into the World app. Now, review the transaction hash on a blockchain explorer like Optimistic Etherscan to confirm its status. If the transaction shows successful but the funds aren't in OKX, wait a few more minutes or hours. Make sure the OKX account is not under maintenance or having temporary delays with the WLD processing. If still unresolved, contact OKX support and provide the transaction ID, address, and amount. Keep your World app transaction details saved in case additional verification is requested. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.